Space elves are similar to humans, and they like playing video games too. But getting seen by children is dangerous. We got noticed! Ah! Ho, ho, ho! Santa is tired. It's getting harder and harder to carry the bags with gifts every year. Am I getting old? No, it's just that the elves decided to play a trick on their boss. Surprise! Thanks for the ride, Grandpa. Santa didn't expect this from his little helpers. Oh yeah? You think you can prank me? I'm going to teach you a lesson. Santa's disappearance made the elves panic. Fortunately, their boss came back, but not for long. Hey, where are you going? And why do we need your book? Santa Claus, the Book of Secrets. Oops, looks like our boss is upset, and now the elves will have to do his job themselves. But how? Hey, get the bag! Elves are great helpers, but they have never had to work on their own. This is the worst! I'm tired, and I don't want to carry this bag. Someone just found out how difficult Santa's job is. Our old boss does it somehow, so you can do it too. But the pep talk doesn't work. At least Santa has deer. All right, I'm either carrying gifts on something or not carrying them at all. Silly, the whole gang won't fit on the scooter. Then maybe we could use a bicycle? Woohoo! Woohoo! And I'm getting on the back. Awesome! This idea is better, but where will the third elf sit? Why can't she ride a scooter? You're so sneaky. Wait, the gifts are here anyway. This is going to be an interesting night. I wonder if everyone will get their gifts. The elves are on the first task. Christmas tree detected. Let's start Operation Merry Christmas. So many beautiful boxes. It is nice to make people happy with gifts, but not with the ones you're dreaming about. Hey, give it back now. This isn't your bear. But the elf has dreamed about a toy like this his whole life. No way! They already have so many gifts. Give it back immediately. The conversation escalates into a fight. Whoops! Uh-oh. It seems that the elves played too much. All this noise can't be ignored. The owner of the house comes to check if everything is okay. He definitely didn't expect to see elves under the broken tree. Pinch me! It's all his fault. Can't you see he's guilty? Oh, why don't you think of something smarter? And this is for you. Hurry up. Let's get out of here. Oh man, he passed out. Who's next on the list? It's cozy here, and the tree is so neat. It's the perfect place to take a rest. But wait, what are those? Treats? The elf just has to try them, so he doesn't upset the owners. And while his partners are working, he eats everything he can get his hands on. Yummy! Now I see why Santa loves this job so much. but you always need to know when to stop. Otherwise, you might overeat and turn into an elf ball. You are so greedy! What should we do now? I want to teach this stupid elf a lesson, but we can't leave our partner behind. Oh, he's so heavy! Good thing the elves have special training, so they can carry gifts of any weight. Christmas night is in full swing, and this elf didn't even have time to play properly. Elves are just like little kids. It's time to change that. This house is so cute. Wow! What are you doing here? Are we supposed to do the work for you? Oh, I'm so tired of your lectures. Just wait until I leave you. But there are more serious problems than getting things straight. Hey, guys, here's the thing. This gift isn't fun at all. Not a lot of people will enjoy finding coal under the Christmas tree. Exactly! Christmas is a magical time, so the elves will replace the gift. They are almost done when the bad boy appears in the room. Ouch! It hurts! Are you shooting the elves? Have you ever seen anything like this? A child like this doesn't deserve a good present. He can get cold and think about what he did wrong. New place, new adventures. The gifts are selected and almost ready to go under the Christmas tree. What is that shadow? It looks like a giant monster. Help! We're too young to die! But the monster isn't as scary as its shadow. In fact, the monster is a very nice dog. Oh, good boy! You're so fluffy! He is so cute that the good elves can't leave him without a gift. This is for you, baby! Santa rewards all the nice kids, even if they are cute puppies. Christmas is a family holiday, but not everyone can spend it at home. Some people just don't have one. This homeless man is completely frozen. Look how red his nose is. And he's not even on Santa's list. That's terrible. How come? Doesn't he deserve a gift? That's not okay. We need to come up with something. Aren't we elves? First, even a homeless person could use a little holiday cheer. And second, there's definitely something left in the gift bag. What a coincidence! It's a new cup for money. Let it never be half empty, but always completely full. Looks like our festive mission is over. Everyone is happy, and the elves can go back to Santa. But it seems like the boss didn't miss his helpers at all. For once in his life, Santa managed to buy a cheap tour, and now he's having tons of fun. What a great Christmas vacation! Did you like our story about Christmas elves? Would you like to see them in real life, at least for a minute? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you don't miss more nice Christmas videos on Troom Select.